friends, welcome to Tech Solutions. As we all know that Microsoft IE 11 has announced the retirement from 15 June 2022. So this is the reason we should start using Microsoft Edge and we should start exploring the features in Microsoft Edge. In this video, we will learn another cool feature of Microsoft Edge browser, and that is apps. If you want to install any website as an app on your machine, on your laptop, you can use this feature. So let me open the Microsoft Edge. So I have opened this YouTube site. Now if you want to install YouTube on your laptop, just go to settings on right top corner, apps, and here you have option install YouTube. And bear in mind, this works with any website. So let me open something different, like I have opened here in Wikipedia in a different tab. So let's go to settings, apps, install this site as an app, and that's it. You can use this website and install it as an app on your laptop. Another cool feature of Microsoft Edge browser. Let's install the app here itself as a demo. Install. Now it's installed. So let me close this. I'll show you. Go to the settings again, apps, manage apps. Here you can find the apps you installed. So right click, either you can uninstall it or you can create a shortcut. So let me create a shortcut on desktop, pin it, and you see YouTube is installed as an app. Another cool feature of Microsoft Edge browser. Thank you for watching, friends, and please keep supporting us. Subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.